going? I hope you're doing very well. I don't know if you watched the Super Bowl yesterday. I totally did. I don't know what team you were cheering for. The game was so close. It went to overtime, and luckily the Chiefs pulled through. I was so excited. I'm having a really good Monday. I hope you are too. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have something super exciting. I cannot believe it, but I have a total surprise. I never thought that I would be doing this, but I have a really special unboxing for you. And if you can see over here, it's an orange box and I'm so excited. So anyways, welcome to my channel. Here we like to talk about handbags. I like to do reviews. For today's video, I wanted to do my unboxing of my very first Hermes bag. I cannot believe it. It's in my hands. Honestly, I never thought that I would ever have an Hermes bag. And if I ever did, I thought that it would be like way later in my life because I have been intentionally saving for bigger things in my life. And you know, I love handbags, don't get me wrong, but this bag, when I saw it, it's perfect. It is absolutely perfect. So anyways, let's get started. And so yeah, this is going to be my very first Hermes unboxing. So I changed the angle so you can see the bag as I'm unboxing. So here is the beautiful Hermes box with the bow. I bought this pre-loved, in case you're wondering, so the box is a little bit ripped, but that's absolutely okay. Here's the raincoat for the bag. Information booklet about the Hermes leather, I think. In all different languages. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What do you guys think it is? Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I could not stop thinking about this bag. Oh my God, this color is so pretty. Let me back up so you can see. And this is called the Lindy 30. And this is in the Swift leather, which is a smooth leather. And when I saw this bag, I thought it was absolutely perfect for me because if you've been watching my channel, I love the rolled handles. And this bag encompasses pretty much everything that I have been wanting in like my perfect bag. It has a shoulder strap. It's an attached shoulder strap. And it's all leather. It has two different colors here. It has the rolled handles. It's the smooth leather. It's pink. Oh my gosh. And Hermes is known for this leather and it is so soft. It's in the Palladium hardware, which is a silver hardware. And this is in the 30 size. And the Speedy 30 is my favorite handbag in my collection. So this is my first Hermes bag. And I thought that, looking at the measurements, this bag was exactly the same size as a Speedy 30. So I was kind of torn if I wanted to get in the size 30 or the Lindy 26, which is a little bit more popular, but I thought that would be closer to the Speedy 25, but I really love my Speedy 30. So that's why I went with the Lindy 30, and it's fully zippered. And so let's do the outside tour first. And this bag carry as a top handle like this, and it's supposed to have a little bit of a slouchy look like this. And there are pockets here on the outside. There's two, one on each side. And then there are feet on the bottom. There's 5 feet. This bag is in perfect condition. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then let me just look at the hardware. So up close it says Hermes Paris right there on the hardware. It's Palladium hardware. And the details of Hermes with the hardware It's supposed to be like super, well, of course with Hermes, but you can even see the H's on the ends of the zipper lock. But the leather is like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go inside. You can see the stamp here on the inside. So this bag, when I was looking, I actually had an amazing like sales associate, and he like showed me the bag. They shipped this to Dallas. I think the bag was originally in another, I think in New York or New Jersey or some other city. They shipped it to Dallas, and they video conferenced me, and then with the Hermes stamp. This bag was made in 2018. And here's what the inside looks like. It's stuffed right now. Let me take that out. But this bag came with an organizer, which was very nice. And then here's the Hermes made in France logo right there. But this is just such, oh my gosh, it's in like perfect condition. Oh my gosh, this is like a brand new bag. I could not have asked for a more perfect bag. There's an inside pocket right here, and there's one on the other side. So this bag comes with 4 pockets, 2 exterior and 2 interior pockets. And look how big this opening is. So this is essentially like the Speedy 30. It has like a full opening. It's fully zippered. It has a shoulder strap, the roll top handle. It's smooth leather. It's pink. It's like perfect. It looks like this. Oh my God, I cannot. This is like the perfect bag for me. I know everyone is excited about the Birkin and the Kelly for Hermes, but for me, I just think that this, when I saw this, this is like my dream bag, because I think this is so functional in terms of it can hold so much. It's the shoulder bag, the rolled handles, the Birkin doesn't have a shoulder strap, the Kelly, and those are so expensive. Not that this one wasn't expensive, don't get me wrong, but this one I got pre-loved, and I absolutely love, love, love this. This is like my dream, perfect, my dream bag. Oh my God, this is a dream come true. But here is my new Lindy 30. And this is like the absolute dream. It's Swift leather, which is the soft leather, Hermes leather. It's so soft. I love the smooth leather. And oh my gosh, I could not have asked for a more perfect bag to be my very first Hermes bag. So that's pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like I said, this is the Lindy 30. And that's pretty much it. Otherwise, bye and have a great rest of your day.